My name is Khattabi, and I serve as the Chief Accountability Officer and Justice Initiative Director for Grace Farms Foundation, based in Connecticut. I lead a variety of programs associated with our mission to end modern-day slavery, gender-based violence, and environmental crimes. Prior to joining Grace Farms Foundation, I served as a special agent with the United States Customs Service, and then subsequently with HSI, Homeland Security Investigations. Throughout my career as a federal law enforcement agent, I have investigated and supervised the investigations of many federal criminal cases involving child exploitation and trafficking in the United States and abroad. Right now, with this national health crisis and our children being confined, the threat is worse than ever. 1 in 5 teens in the United States say they have received unwanted online sexual solicitations. And for that number, only 25% will tell a trusted adult. So, while access to the internet is essential to helping our children remain engaged and connected during this pandemic, parents should really be aware of the risks created by increased screen time and should try to adopt some of the tips I would recommend. For me, 3 main things should happen. Have a conversation with your children. Just talk to them. Number 2, stay engaged with them. And number 3, utilize parental controls. So, 1, start a conversation about online safety. If you are introducing your children to new learning websites and apps while schools are closed, talk to them about how to stay safe on these services, and in general, let them know that someone could connect with them online to get personal information, exchange pictures, or meet in person. And it might even be someone who feels like a friend. Let your children know you won't be upset if someone contacts them. Just let them know that it is not their fault and that you are here, really. You are here to protect them, to do your job, to protect them. Number 2, stay engaged with your children's online activity. Ask your children to show you what they're doing. Simply ask them. Get them used to talking to you about it. Be part of it. Make them comfortable. And I promise you, they will tell you. They really will tell you. Also, you might think another solution, a helpful solution, is really trying to always keep the devices your children use in open areas of the house, such as in the living room, dining room, or kitchen, where you may be able to see what they're doing. And number 3, utilize parental controls. One of the easiest precautions is to use Safe Search by Google. You just need to make sure your browsers use Google as the default search engine, and then you can simply turn on Safe Search. It's going to help. It will help by limiting access to sensitive content. Also, for younger children, you can use settings that will notify you of anything they will try to download and let you first approve an app before they gain access to it. Also, on social networking platforms, you can set your children's profile to private, meaning nobody can connect with or follow them online without their permission. So, if you find someone who is reaching out to your children inappropriately, please just don't panic. Instead, gather evidence. Take screenshots, save communications, take notes on what you observed or heard, and so forth. So report it also to the law enforcement agencies, your local police department, or your state police, or Homeland Security investigation at the federal level. They also have a tip line you can call at 866 DHS 2 ICE. You can also contact the FBI. So don't be apprehensive in reporting and reaching out to law enforcement professionals. That is their job. That is their job, to serve and protect the public, meaning you. Thank you so much. Be safe and stay healthy.